In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Stripe customer portal link. This is a quick and straightforward process that takes just a few minutes and allows your customers to easily manage their subscriptions, billing details, and payment information. Whether you're running a business or managing client payments, setting up this portal will make everything smoother for both you and your customers. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. You'll be taken to the login page where you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready to avoid delays. After filling in your details, click Sign In again to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. This is your control center for all Stripe activities. From here, navigate to the Billing section. This is where all your billing, subscriptions, and payment settings are managed. Inside the billing area, you'll notice a submenu with several options. Click on Subscriptions. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Setup Portal. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Customer Portal Setup page. Now you'll see your Customer Portal link displayed on the screen. Copy this link to your clipboard. This is the URL your customers will use to access their account portal. You can share it directly with them through email, messages, or even embed it on your website for easy access. To make the experience better for your customers, head over to Settings within the portal setup. Here, you can customize what your customers can see and do, such as viewing invoices, updating payment methods, or managing their subscriptions. Once you've adjusted everything according to your business needs, click Save Changes to confirm your setup. Make sure your Stripe account is verified and that you have the correct permissions to access billing features. This helps avoid any access issues while setting up the portal. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll have your Stripe customer portal link set up and ready to use. Your customers can now manage their subscriptions and payments easily, saving you time and improving their overall experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.